She begged for her job. "Please, I need this to feed my daughter." But they laughed. "You're not pretty enough to serve here," said the manager, coldly. They kicked her out like trash. But 3 years later, she returned, not with a tray, but with the power to fire every one of them. Her name was Maya. She wasn't glamorous. She didn't wear makeup. But she was kind, hardworking, and respectful to every customer who walked into La Vida, the trendiest cafe in the city. She worked 12-hour shifts, took no sick days, and never complained, not even when they paid her minimum wage and dumped extra shifts on her. Her only reason to survive? Her 6-year-old daughter, Zara. Every night, Maya told her, "One day, I'll make something big for you. Just wait." The cruel fall. Then, one morning, Maya was called into the manager's office. "We're letting you go," said Olivia, the supervisor, without even looking up. "Why?" Maya stammered, "I've never missed a shift." Olivia shrugged. "You don't fit the brand. We want younger, prettier faces now. You're too plain. I need this job. Please, I have a child," Maya whispered. "You should have thought of that before showing up with that face," Olivia smirked. Security escorted Maya out the back door, like a thief. Staff laughed. Some took videos. One even said, "Good riddance." Maya didn't cry. She just walked home, holding Zara's school picture in her hand, and made a promise to herself. The rise begins. Maya took the pain and turned it into fuel. She worked 3 jobs, dishwashing, cleaning, even night shifts at gas stations. Every spare moment, she studied online. Business, marketing, hospitality, financing. She read everything she could about restaurants, how they succeed, how they fail. Then she made a risky move. She borrowed money from a local support program for single mothers. And with it, she started a tiny roadside stall selling her grandmother's secret biryani recipe. People laughed. But by month 3, there were lines around the block. By year 2, Maya owned 3 food trucks and was known as the Queen of Flavor on social media. Then came her big move. The perfect setup. The owner of La Vida, the cafe that fired her, was in debt. Sales had dropped, and Olivia, the same manager who insulted Maya, was running it into the ground. Maya made an anonymous offer. A generous one. The owner, desperate, accepted it within hours. Maya now owned the very cafe that had humiliated her. But she didn't reveal herself. Not yet. The grand return. 2 weeks later, Maya walked into La Vida, this time, in a formal suit. Olivia looked up. "Can I help?" She froze. Eyes wide. Mouth open. "You," she whispered. Maya smiled. "I'm your new boss. And your contract. Consider it terminated." "But, I was just following orders." Olivia begged. "Just like you followed them when you told me I was too ugly." Maya replied calmly. Security escorted Olivia out, through the same back door she had once pushed Maya through. Poetic. Transformation. Maya didn't stop there. She renovated La Vida, rebranded it to Zara's Table, named after her daughter, and rehired staff based on skill and kindness, not appearance. She started hiring single moms, struggling students, and people who just needed a second chance. Soon, Zara's Table became the highest-rated cafe in the city. Epilogue. One day, a nervous young girl came in asking for a job. "I don't have much experience," she said. "But I work hard." Maya smiled and offered her a seat. "I once started with nothing too," she said. "You're hired." And from a corner wall, a framed photo of Maya and Zara overlooked the cafe with pride. Moral: revenge doesn't need rage. Sometimes, your silence becomes a storm. Never mock someone's struggle, because one day, they might own the very world you tried to keep them out of.